Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are digging in to the Cosmos palette as promised, and we're going to do another look on the eyes, and it's going to be really easy. So if you'd like to see how I create my look, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, how are you? I'm doing good. I'm cooking a roast today, and I thought I'd come back here and film a tutorial for next week. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do makeup unboxings, reviews, tutorials on eyeshadow palettes, hair tools, you name it. I am your girl. So today we're going to go in with the ABH, which I already have on my eyes, eye primer. And we're going to go into the Cosmos palette. So I am going to dip into Space Dust, Comet, and Mars. That's the mattes we're going to use today. So I'm going to take Space Dust. So did you all have a good Father's Day? This probably won't come out till next week, guys, but Father's Day was this weekend, and we went to see Brian's dad and also cooked out, and me and Brian had a nice evening on the deck last night, so it was really nice. Or not before last, this is Tuesday. So tell me what you all did for Father's Day. So I'm just packing Space Dust in the crease. We're going to do matching eye looks today. All I'm going to do now is just go in and blend this color in really well. And you don't have to do this step, but I'm going to take a skin tone eyeshadow, and I'm actually going into that Angela Bright Sigma palette that I just bought, and I'm going into this Bare shade because it's a skin tone shade, and I'm just going to pick up the tiniest amount just to kind of diffuse the top of the brow. It's not a lot, just a little. You can use a skin tone foundation, you can use like a skin tone powder, a translucent powder. If you don't have a skin tone eyeshadow, you can use that. And we're just going to work it above the brows and into Space Dust just to kind of get a nicer blur. All right, now we're going to go into Comet, this color right here, and we're going to put this in the beginning of the outer third. Now we're going to go into Mars, this color right here. And we're going to put that in the outer third. And that color we put in there, Comet, is going to help us blend that out. I'm just lightly blending. I'm going to clean off my brush, and I'm just barely bringing the edges of those shadows in about midway to my crease. We're not done blending yet, guys. Okay guys, now that we have this down, okay, I'm going to go into Sun, which is this one right here. We're going to take Sun and we're going to put that right here in the middle. Whoo, that looks gorgeous. That looks so pretty. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Qzar and put that right here in the inside, just a dot, and then I'm going to blend it out with a clean finger. Put just a little bit more. And I'm going to take and pull that back into the crease, kind of above sun, so it does disperse that color out a little bit more. We might add one more to deepen it just a little bit more, but I'm not sure. Let me see what it looks like after I put the liner and mascara and all that on. Now I'm going to go over and catch up the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay guys, now I'm back. I am going to take just a dot of Eclipse just to give it a little more depth, and I took this little E55, mini E55 from Sigma that I got with my Angela Bright palette. Now I'm just going to take my Rose and Ben E28 and just blend and pull back. Go forward, go up. So it's not really deep, but it gives it just a little bit more. All right, I'm gonna go put on a liner and some mascara, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have got my lashes curled, my mascara on, and I went in with this Formula Z with the darker brown side of this pencil that I got from Ipsy. Then we're going to go in with a lash definer brush. Now you could go in with any color you wanted to on the bottom, but where I went in with this brown, I do want to go into Eclipse, and we're going to take that up against the lash line. The dark matter was really hard to build up under the eye when I did those two eye looks last week that comes out this week. It just wouldn't stay under the eye. So I want to let you know about that. And then the next color I'm going to go in with is Comet. And I'm going to go in with a A3 from ABH. And we're just going to blend that into it. We have that down. We're going to blend that in just a little bit. I'm just going to go in with this Refer 13. Okay, now that we have that blended out, I think that's all I want to put on there. And for the blush today, I want to go in with, I guess we'll go in with the brown blush out of the Blend Bunny Bare Cheeks palette. And Blend Bunny is launching a new collection on the 25th, I believe, or 23rd. I'm not sure, but I'm going to post it on my YouTube. She's got a new collection coming out. I'm so excited. I love Blend Bunny Cosmetics, guys. I'm going to go in with the Nude Lip Pencil by Gerard Cosmetics. I think I'll go in with Buttercup. I love this Buttercup color. Buttercup is my shade, guys. And then I think we're going to hit it with this, this from the BoxyCharm from this past month. I really love this. Gosh, it smells and tastes so good. I'm going to spray my face with my Slay All Day Setting Spray by Gerard Cosmetics and Dreamsicle, which is... If I can find my highlight brush, we're going to go into the... Look, mine's loved. I'm easy on my products. I try to dip in really easy, but you can tell it's used and well loved. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my AOA brush, and I'm going to do the inner corner and the brow bone. Guys, this is the finished look. What do we think? Let me know down in the comments. And I'm going to do one more look, then I'm going to review this palette. So be looking for that week after next. And yeah, let me know what you think of this look. And guys, I hope that you like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty from a mature woman, then please subscribe and ring the bell. And guys, we will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.